Experiencing call problems with Boost Mobile? It often boils down to VoLTE, IMS, and network configurations. VoLTE, or Voice over LTE, delivers high-definition voice calls over 4G LTE networks. It requires correct setup on your device for clear, reliable calls. IMS, the IP Multimedia Subsystem, is the backbone framework that manages multimedia communications. It enables VoLTE by handling voice and video over IP networks. Network settings, including access point names or APNs, define how your device connects to the carrier's networks. Misconfigurations can lead to dropped calls or fallbacks to older 3G networks. Common issues include dropped calls, inability to connect, or reliance on 3G fallbacks. These arise from transitions to LTE and 5G, software bugs, or coverage gaps. By 2025, Boost Mobile has expanded coverage, but problems persist with 5G NSA networks prioritizing data over voice. To fix call issues, first ensure VoLTE is enabled in your phone's settings. Android 14 Plus and iOS 18 Plus have built-in VoLTE toggles. Update your Boost Mobile app to version 5.2 Plus for automatic IMS settings configuration. Check your access point name settings. Set it to Boost Mobile or IMS for proper connection. Reset network settings via Settings General, Reset network settings to resolve many issues. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. If issues persist, contact Boost Mobile support for SIM swaps or further assistance. Users report fewer VoLTE dropouts in urban areas, but rural users may face 3G fallbacks. In April 2025, rural Iowa outage was fixed by enabling VoLTE and updating APN. Resetting network settings fixed 65% of issues in another case.